Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Court has now taken up this matter. Firstly, they want to focus on the structures which are abutting the road. So the court has directed that the nodal officer should submit a report to the court as far as compliance is on the structures which are abutting the roads. So the nodal officers are supposed to scrutinize the compliances which are filed with the panchayats and the municipalities and find out as to how much of the work has been done by the panchayats and the municipalities insofar as demolition of these structures on the roadside are concerned. Secondly, insofar as some panchayats who have not filed the compliances, they have been given time to file compliance within 1 week, and once those compliances are submitted, the nodal officers will scrutinize them also and give a detailed chart in the form of a report to tell the court as to how much is complied with and what remained to be done.
Sir, one issue was raised regarding acquisition and you had made some clarification. What was that?
No, one of the panchayats said that there are roads which are just constructed in the private properties without acquisition, which we said that it is not possible that way. We said that government has never done it and it is not possible to do. So that was one issue which was sought to be raised by one panchayat, but that did not have any impact.